Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When you go to an ice cream parlor, the wide variety of flavors they have is amazing. Of course, many of them carry the most popular ones. Business is business, right? But when you make them at home, you can create flavors that no one carries. Flavors which are more exotic, just like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my passion fruit ice cream. It's a flavor you won't find at any stand. It is so tasty, very different from the popular ones, and a flavor that everyone will enjoy this summer. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium bowl, we'll combine a can of sweetened condensed milk, passion fruit juice, some pure vanilla extract, and a small pinch of fleur de sel. For those of you who are not familiar with the salt, it's a very fine, delicate sea crystal, and it's best used to flavor food after they are cooked, or like in today's recipe. So we'll mix the ingredients until very well blended, and then we'll set aside. Next, we'll make our whipped cream. As you can see, my bowl has been chilled for a while, and so is my whisk. So we'll pour in the cold heavy cream and process until stiff peaks form. If you want more info to make the perfect whipped cream all the time, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll spoon half of the whipped cream into the passion fruit mixture and gently fold it in until well distributed. We'll switch bowls, and what we'll do is to spoon the passion fruit whipped cream mixture into the plain whipped cream. We'll gently fold again until well blended before scooping into an ice cream tub. If you don't have one, use a loaf pan and cover with plastic wrap or with the lid. We'll transfer to the freezer until the ice cream gets hard, about 4 to 6 hours. And my friends, this is her passion fruit ice cream. Smooth, creamy, and delectably different, this ice cream is a nice change. It's an exotic, flavorful cold treat that will be very popular with your friends and family. And to find out just how good it is, you'll have to make it. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!